dati, nagbibidyoke lang, nagkakaraoke lang ang SB19 sa mga gilid-gilid, sa mga cafe or mga bidyokehan yan, no? Ngayon, ibang bansa na, boy. At kung merong carpool karaoke si James Corden, kung kilala niyo man yung talk show host na yon sa ibang bansa, meron siyang carpool karaoke kung saan nagkakaraoke sila sa kotse na mamahalin, mga Bentley ganon. Ang SB19, ganito kayaman, meron ng e-trike karaoke, pero sa ibang bansa. So today, papanoorin natin itong pangalan ng channel. Shoutout sa channel e-trike karaoke yung channel. The title is I paid $20 to do e-trike karaoke with SB19. $20. Okay, that's a steal right there. No, so I'm so excited. Matagal na nakalabas to, ngayon na ako nakapag-record. Before we start, please sa lahat ng mga kapanood nito, isabay natin sa prayers natin yung mga nasalanta nating mga kababayan sa Cebu at sa kung saan pang mga tinamaan ng bagyo. Please isabay natin sa prayers, at kung may means kayo para tumulong, may means tayo para tumulong tayo, kasi every little bit of help is a big help. Pinilit mag-English, no, pero kahit gano'n ako ating tulong, malaking tulong yan sa kanila, lalo na wipe out yung lugar. My gosh, kung nakikita nyo yung mga post sa Facebook, please tumulong tayo, at please prayers. Oy, Cebu Pacific, tumulong ka din kaya. Mag-donate ka, daan ka ng daan ha. At sa mga taga Luzon naman, at sa lahat ng buong Pilipinas ngayon, may paparating na bagyo, si Bagyong Uwan, no? Please be ready, and please ipag-pray natin yung mga kababayan natin na talagang nadali ng bagyo na to. So that's that. Let's make this a little bit fun, para to make other people smile naman sa mga medyo sad sa sitwasyon na to. And this time, this was a channel from parang siguro taga-ibang bansa yung ano na to, at napakaganda ng concept, e-trike karaoke, and this was trending so much, at excited na ako, kaya play na natin to. Don't forget your prayers, okay? Okay, so sa mga, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, anong problema mo sa buhay mo, man? Please, okay, dyan lang, isang pindot lang yan sa hindi, syempre, nasa iyo ang choice, pero maawa ka naman. Eto na nga, eto na, pa-play na natin. Okay. Inuubo-ubo ka pa, boy. Ha? Okay. Alright, let's start this. Okay, ready ka na ba? Ha? Baka hindi ka ready Okay, start na natin.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi, for $20, do you want to do e-trike karaoke?
Yeah.
Sabi ni Pablo, $20 lang, boy. Ha? Natakbo. Maganda, no, na ito yung concept niya, para may play pa sila dito na parang natagpuan lang sila sa gilid ng kalsada. Okay, that's nice.
Excuse me. Hi, for $20, do you want to do e-trike karaoke?
Yeah.
How do you rank your singing on a scale of 1 to 10?
Okay, that's hard. Hard questions agad. How do you rate your singing from 1 to 10? Okay, tingnan natin kung magiging humble ba,
Hi, for $20, do you want to do e-trike karaoke?
Yeah.
How do you rank your singing on a scale of 1 to 10?
A solid 1. 7.
Agagi! Sabi ni Pablo, a solid 1. That's a humble king right there. Okay. At kape muna tayo ng black coffee na may konting sugar. That tastes good. Okay. 7 kay Josh.
If Pablo's 1, I'm gonna be 0.
Solid 1. A liquidated 2.
A solid 1 na liquidated 2. If ang ganda nung tawag nito, yung logic doon kay Ken, at ganun lang yung sinabi na Ken, pero he was giving the flowers to Pablo. Kasi if Pablo is a 1, then I'm a 0. Ganun kagaling si Pablo, and Ken is saying that Pablo is definitely better than him. According to his words, by the way. Okay.
How do
That's
you
good,
rank
ah.
your singing on a scale of 1 to 10?
A solid 1.
7.
If Pablo is 1, I'm gonna be 0.
Solid 1. A liquidated 2.
I was about to say that. For me, it's 0.5. Okay, I have to change my answer.
No, Josh, 7. The best. Hindi ka kasali sa usapan. Alam nyo, palagi na lang si Josh yung nabubuli dito. Ano ba? Bakit palaging kuya na lang ang nabubuli? Hindi pwede. Hindi.
I will go negative 100.
I really liked Gassy 3. Okay. Tell us your names and where you're from.
We are.
SB19 from the Philippines. Yeah.
I'm Pablo. I'm from the Philippines. Cavite represent. Let's go! Hi everyone, my name is Tel. I'm from Manila.
Ay, Manila.
Hello everyone, I'm Justin and I'm from Valenzuela. Hey, what's up? I'm Josh Cullen from the Philippines.
Paris, Bisaya, Ken from the Philippines.
What is your favorite song right now?
Always by Daniel Caesar. Right now, I really jam to
Always by Daniel Caesar. I don't know that one, yo. Siguro alam ko siya, pero hindi siya pumapasok sa is. Baka title di ko alam. Okay, sa'yo, Stel, anong favorite
Bruno
mo?
Mars and Lady Gaga's Die With A Smile.
Okay.
Right now, my favorite song currently is Bughaw by Maki.
Welcome to the Black Parade.
Tour up, Don Toliver.
Oh, great song choices. Let's rock and roll.
Ano ba yan? Agad-agad! Let's go! Grabe yung e-trike na to. Talagang walang bubong. Tapos ang masakit. Dalawa lang yung kasya. Okay.
Right now, my favorite song currently is Bughaw by Maki.
Anong
Welcome
kanta
to the
yun?
Black Parade.
Tour up, Don Toliver.
Oh, great song choices. Let's rock and roll.
Daming mga critics sa angin mga ginig But y'all be trying to run my fame Josh calling streets and they can't tell me nothing Boss up and I change the game My moves so clean, got them all the girls hooked This rap so mean, got them all the boys shook Before we push the streets, now we're topping Bible charts Come and shut your mouth, cause we're raising up the bar like hey
We're racing up the bar. That's bars right there. That's bars. And by the way, this is the hip-hop winner. Ha? Nanalong hip-hop, ano ba ito? Hip-hop award. Diba? Siya yung inawardan ng hip-hop song of the year. Eto na, nakikita nyo kung gaano kagaling, gaano kaganda. Eto yun. Ha? Reklamo ka pa? Hindi ka makakareklamo, boy. Hip-hop song of the year yan. Nakikita mo na kung bakit, boy. Go, Josh.
My moves so clean, got them all the girls hooked This rap so mean, got them all the boys shook Before we push the streets, now we're topping Bible charts Come and shut your mouth, cause we're raising up the bar like hey Popping in the streets of L.A. Never hitting breaks, okay Yeah, we're rapping one for less and getting paid
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long.
Hey!
Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight.
I know we'll turn heads forever. That's a bar. That's a heavy bar right there. And they made a song for this. They didn't just sing any song. They made a song for this kind of stuff. Diba? Okay. Mag-e-try karaoke tayo. Okay, let me make a song about this. We're gonna make your heads turn forever. Talo mo pa yung The Exorcist. Yung umiikot yung ulo. Talo mo pa yun.
Together, there's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you all. Been walking with you. I want the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. My baby, don't play.
Hindi ako believe. Lip sync. Lip sync, no? Lip sync. Lip sync talaga. Kung lip sync pa rin akala mo, pare, ihampas mo yung ulo mo sa pader mga 3 times, no? Yung mga basher, lip sync pa rin yan. Nasa kalsada, speaker na lang. Lip sync pa rin sa kanila yan. Oh my.
Don't make no sense. I am dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it.
Sabayan natin yan. Parang di ako
I've been dripping in finesse.
Hey.
It don't make no sense. I am dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it.
What's your guilty pleasure song?
Guilty pleasure song? I think it's the same song that I said earlier. Well, I always find myself...
Guilty pleasure song. Ooh, that's a nice question. Guilty pleasure. So I think it's hindi siya ano ba yung akin? Damn, man, that's a hard one. I don't think I have one. Parang kailangan ko magkaroon ng guilty pleasure song, okay?
Sing that song, so...
That's a good reason.
Mine was Supernatural by Ariana. Out of My League by Stephen Speed.
Under the Influence by Chris Brown.
2024 Playboy Cardi.
My guilty pleasure? I should have an answer prepared, but I don't. I don't know. It's probably like something...
Only SB19 does that, di ba? Hindi lang ako ang interviewin mo, te. Isasali ka namin sa problema. Biglang ginanon sa kanya, ikaw, ano sa'yo? Ha? Ano? Kala mo, hindi lang ikaw, boy.
From Hamilton or... Moving on.
2024 Playboy Cardi.
My guilty pleasure? I should have an answer prepared, but I don't. I don't know. It's
Oh, I have
probably
one.
like something from...
I have one. Killer by Eminem. The best diss track ever. Yun ba yung Killer ba title nun? Bully! Bully by Eminem. Listen to that. That was a wonderful diss track song. And the most wonderful line about that song is when Eminem fights off the bullies. I don't know kung kaninong, kung kay Ja Rule ba yun. Basta diss track yun. Tapos sabi niya, parang kung mamatay man siya sa diss track na to, if I die for this song, I have $1 million in, parang meron na siya, kunwari na, kasi may kaaway sa Eminem na rapper din. Kasi dati kasi old school rap, talagang kailangan kung ang nirarap mo pag about sa pagpatayan, dapat ready kang gawin yan sa totoo. Ngayon kasi madami, di ba, rapper na killer ako, pero hindi. Ngayon dati sa panahon nila Eminem, totohanan talaga. So tumatak sa akin yung kanta na Bully na yan kasi sabi niya doon, kung mamatay man ako sa rap na to, kung ito man yung ikamatay ko, meron akong $1 milyong na nagsasabi na I will get you back. Parang something, kung mamatay ako, mag-ready ka na kasi ikaw na nakasunod. $1 milyong. Nakalimutan ko yung exact line pero that was nasty, y'all. Okay.
From Hamilton or... Moving on. If you could do karaoke with anyone, who would it be?
Let them...
No, not me first.
That's a hard question.
Me, Michael Jackson.
Bruno Mars.
Post Malone.
I like that.
Oh, ano yung sabi?
Moving on. If you could do karaoke with anyone, who would it be?
Let them...
No, not me first.
That's a hard question.
Me, Michael Jackson.
Bruno Mars.
Post Malone.
I like that one.
You only get one choice.
But he's not alive anymore.
Given a chance, I'll do it with Adele. Yeah.
Wow. Please.
I'll do it with SB19.
Wow! Sip-sip!
You win. You pass the test.
Sip-sip. Sip-sip, ma'am. Wala dyan. Hindi pwede yun. Oh my gosh, man. I have so many options to do karaoke with. The first one, I think, is Glock 9. Man, I love SB19 in my heart. But Glock 9 is my hero since I was a child. Glock 9, number 2, SB19. If I have to, kung may chance man ako magka-karaoke sa isang artist, Glock 9, SB19, Flo G. I think that's the 3 artists that I want to have a moment with, diba? Alright, let's proceed.
Do you want to dedicate your performance to anyone?
We want to dedicate it to our 18 fans.
Are you ready?
Yes! Going for this.
Ano pa?
This is ugly, but alam mo naman that me like it then again. Cause I'm icy, kahit na ano pa yan, come bite me.
I like this version. Medyo pinabagal.
Are you ready?
Yes! Going for this.
This is ugly, but alam mo naman that me like it then again. Cause I'm icy, Kahit na ano pa yan, come bite me.
What you gonna do pag may dumating na maitim na ulap ako kikiligin?
Tutup sa positibo ay baka lang maparne. Kasi pag realidad na ang harap, agad nagising.
Anong pakiramdam pumanig sa walang hanggang hagdan?
Di pa sapat adam ng dito sa kindipo lahat tinipon.
Kahit nung digmaan at gout na digo,
Nagpapalitan sila ng ano?
tagap ko ng gamalasan ay
Nagpapalitan kasi sila ng lines. Natawa si Ja.
Di pa sapat adam ng dito sa kindipo lahat tinipon.
kahit nung digmaan at gout na digo, ayang tagusan tagap ko ng gamalasan ay nag-aabang.
Kita ba sa aking mga mata?
Walang pinipiling tremulo, walang pinipiling setting yung boses ni Ken. Nasa open area, mahirap i-emphasize yung bass sa ganyang area na wasak. Yung malalim na boses, mahirap. Dapat nasa kulub yan usually, or nasa mic na talagang dapat boom mic para marinig talaga. Sa normal setting na ganyan, para mapakita mo kung gaano ka-solid yung bass mo or low tone mo, that's impressive right there. More than impressive.
Dito sa kindipo lahat tinipon.
Kahit nung digmaan at gout na digo, ayang tagusan tagap ko ng gamalasan ay nag-aabang.
Kita ba sa aking mga mata mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita? Bakang pag ako'y nangarap kasatulan may di pa titina. Eto na, bunga na.
Oh my God, Yong!
Bago ko pa kumpalan sa katanungan, ano pakiramdam?
Bakit parang ganito? Ang daming tukso. Bawat hakbo laging may gulo. Pagkawalas.
What are you gonna spend the $20 on?
I'm gonna spend it on ice cream.
It's a bit hot today, so
Maybe an ice cream would.
Man, we all know that this hits close to home. When SB19 after doing tasks, they want ice cream. This hits deep. This hits close to home kasi dati, naalala ko yung mga golden days, mga starting days era of SB19. They always want ice cream for their rewards, and they just share ice cream because they don't have enough money to buy each and everybody one. So they share their rewards with each other, man. And they still do now. They still want ice cream for as rewards for their tasks. Man, ramdam ko yung yung good old days. They never
What are
change,
you gonna
man.
spend the $20 on?
I'm gonna spend it on ice cream.
it's a bit hot today, so
Maybe an ice cream would.
Treat ourselves to ice cream.
It's done. Alright. Oh, they did the karaoke with Beanie too. Okay. I think that's done. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording. Shoutouts to who is this? Let me just subscribe to the channel because that was awesome. Alright, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and because I did. It was pretty short, medyo bitin siya, pero man, that's awesome. Napakaangas na ginawa nila to, at very nice, no? Sobrang trending niya sa online, so I think doing this kind of stuff, lalo na sa ibang mga channel sa ibang bansa, really helps the engagement a lot, para mas lalong makilala ang SB19, no? Very, very nice. Shoutouts kay ate, kay ma'am, for having SB19. Thank you so much. Because I know if you give SB19 a chance, they will destroy every single stage, every single e-trike, kung ano pa yung saan niyo pagpa-perform, I guarantee it. So, sa lahat na may mga channel sa ibang bansa, alam niyo na. That's it. If you still haven't subscribed, at nakailang video na kayo, or kahit ngayon lang kayo nanonood, pakipindot bago ka umalis. So, please lang, oh. Thank you so much. Abang-abang sa mga bagong videos. At if you don't want to miss out and you want to support the channel even more, just be a member. Kasi mas advanced kapag member. makukuha mo agad yung content. Maraming salamat. This has been Curtis PH Masters and you have been amazing.